Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Johnson. I am a branch manager with the Carteret County Public Library System. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply for a library card online. There are two ways that you can apply for a card. One is to go directly to our library's website. That is www.carteretcountypubliclibrary.org. And in the top right hand corner you will see Library Catalog and Account Access. You can click on that and it will take you to NC Cardinal, which is our library's catalog. When you scroll down you will see Request Library Card and it will take you to the application. Another way you can do that is to go directly to NC Cardinal, which is www.ncardinal.org. It's more of a direct link. And you'll see Request Library Card. And it will also take you to the online application. At the very top you'll see Home Library. You will find the Carteret County Public Library System, and it will display all of our 5 branches. You just choose your home library branch. For this example, I'm going to choose the Western Carteret branch. You can fill out all of the information that you see on the application, or you can fill out the information with the little red stars. For this demonstration, I'll be making up some information just for the tutorial. When you get to the preferred section, if you happen to go by a different name than the name you're providing, this is where you can type that name in. For example, some people go by their middle name, then their first name, but that's completely up to you. When you get to your date of birth, the system does ask that you put in your date of birth in that format. For this example, I will be making something up. And if you provide a phone number, please make sure you add the dashes in between the digits. It makes it easier for us to read. You can provide an email address and you can create a username, but you do not have to. Down here with these little boxes, you can check them to receive a checkout receipt by default. That just means that when you check out material, you can receive an email receipt rather than get a print receipt, but that's completely up to you. You can also check this bottom box to receive overdue and courtesy emails from our library system, but again, completely up to you. When everything looks good, you can hit Submit Registration. You will get a successful screen at the end, and it will also tell you to please visit your local library. You do not have to go to your local library in person when you do this online application. We do ask that you give our Beaufort branch 24 hours to create your card. The card does get created at the Beaufort branch. They will create your card and then they will mail it to you, so please make sure that the mailing address that you provide in the registration application, that is your mailing address and it is correct. We do not want to create a library card, try to mail it to you, and then it come back to us. We want to make sure we get you your card. So this has been a tutorial on how to apply for a library card online. Thank you for watching.